Okay, it's new tire day, and what I'm putting on the truck now are these Toyo M655. So these are the latest commercial grade tire. Previously, I've used the M55, and I actually really like the M55. I found they had excellent durability. They were relatively noisy though, and the ride was actually pretty good on them as well. But this new M655 is maybe potentially a new kindler, gentler commercial grade tire. These are of course load range E, and these are 265/70/17s. And they are an all-terrain, and they do also have a winter rating with a snowflake. This Duramax is a daily driver, and it does go through tires pretty quickly. Partly that's because it's heavy, and also it has plenty of power. Now, I've used the M55s before, and I like them a lot. Previously, I've also used the Goodyear Wrangler with Kevlar, and they were okay. The M55s I got around 75,000 kilometers. With the Wrangler Kevlars, I was getting 60 to 65. Now, for the winter here, I've been using this Open Country. This is a WLT1. This is a winter tire. And I found this winter tire to have excellent traction on snow and ice. And overall, it was good for the winter. But the plan is to switch them out for more of a summer tire. As you can see, those steel wheels are pretty rusted, and they're basically end of service. So the plan today is to switch over to the new Toyo M655. I'll be using them for the regular things, including daily driving, towing, and some light off-road. I will keep track and report back the tread life and durability. This is my tire changing trailer. It's basically just a simple trailer that the tire changer sits on, but what it allows me to do is to move the tire changer into the barn for storage and then bring it out when I need it. I'm still very much a novice with the machine, but it is getting easier. For the wheels, I'll be using these Vision wheels. These are a 17 by 8.5 turbine. It's an aluminum wheel with a load rating of 3650. Overall, I think this is a pretty good looking wheel. It's not the flashiest wheel in the world, but I think it does look good. It reminds me a lot of the Hummer H2 wheels, and I actually used to have a set of Hummer H2 wheels on this truck. I sold them quite a while ago, and I always liked the look though. I thought about maybe buying another set, but instead I went with this new wheel. Overall, I'm happy with this, so it looks like a decent wheel for the money. The Toyo WLT1 did work very well as a snow tire. These ones only have 16,000 kilometers, so I will use them again, but I'll put new wheels on. Here are the M655s and the new wheels. Overall, I think they look really good. The tires do have a good ride, as you'd expect. There is a bit of tire noise. It is less than the M55, and you have to listen for it, but if you're listening, you can hear it. However, overall, it is less than the sound of the diesel and the turbo and, of course, the stereo. I certainly wouldn't say that they are a noisy tire, but they are a little bit noisier than maybe the average road tire. Overall, I'm optimistic that these will be good tires. I will report back with the tread life and durability.